How to fix "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at the moment" error in Rockstar Games. First of all, go to your login page and then make sure you completely close off this tab. The next thing you need to ensure is that you're not connected to any VPN or proxy. Then what you can do is open settings. Once you open your system settings, go to general. Then click on date and time. Make sure you turn on set time and date automatically toggle on. Then also make sure set time zone automatically using your current location. Now open a web browser again and search for Rockstar Games. Go to your account in the top right corner. Then click on account. Then click on manage account. Here choose connection from the menu at the left. Here you might find connections between Rockstar Games and various apps. If Rockstar Games is linked with any of these, unlink it. Then try to relaunch Rockstar Game again, sign into your account and it should start working now. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.